Hey guys, in today's video, we are exposing the shocking difference in how many Pi tokens you actually get when buying through on-ramp providers versus crypto exchanges. You might be losing hundreds of Pi without even realizing it. So let's break it down. So let's start with the on-ramps. So let's click the on-ramps button. Then here, let's wait for it to load. So I'm just going to set the currency to USD, and for this test I'm going to use or spend $1,000. So let's wait for it, and here as you can see the TransFi will give us 2590, while Banxa it's lower, around 2504. Using the on-ramps, TransFi is the winner. Now let's buy or try buying in exchanges. Let's see and compare the numbers. Now let's try the MEXC exchange first. So here I'm on the spot trading page, and let's input 1000 USDT, and it gives us around 2.7k Pi tokens. Let's try another exchange, Pionex, and let's click or change this one, input 1000 USDT. As you can see, same is 2.7k, 2.718. Now OKX exchange, let's just refresh first. So here let's see how much we get. So 2.717 tokens. So MEXC give us 2713, Pionex 2718. The OKX give us 2.717. So the best deal is Pionex, so it's slightly ahead of the OKX platform by just 1 Pi, and the difference of 0.037%. However, the on-ramps, the TransFi and Banxa, it will give you significantly fewer tokens. As you can see here, up to 7.87% less compared to the best option. And among the exchanges, there's only a tiny difference, so around 0.18% between Pionex, OKX, and MEXC exchange. The good thing with buying by on-ramp providers is that your tokens are automatically deposited to your Pi account or your Pi wallet. However, if you choose to buy via exchanges, you can still move it to the Pi wallet with a low fee.